Building a get-home bag. Tips for setting up a realistic bug-out bag for getting back home in a disaster. Written by David Nash. Narrated by Bill Ayers. A get-home bag is not built for comfort or long-term survival. Its sole function is to get you home as quickly as possible with as little drama as possible. As noted survivalist Morris Kochanski says, the more you know, the less you carry. If you have skills, then your bag can be smaller. Like military line gear, the things you keep on your person every day can help you in a disaster evacuation situation. Some, like myself, work in a place which limits everyday carry items. You may not be. Because I work in a prison, the only items I can constantly plan on having is a small P-38 military can opener on my keychain. Everything else must stay in my car. I am also limited on what can be in my car. Obviously, I cannot keep a long gun like an AR-15 in my car on prison grounds.